Hello and welcome back to another Awareness AI video, and this video is going to go over how to structure your content, specifically your blogs, for AI visibility and GEO. So what's important to understand with content and blogs is that you want to build it around a question or prompt. You want to be thinking what a customer might be asking the most, and then you want to be targeting a question and building your content strategy and plan around it. So let's say that you want to be seen as more environmentally friendly within large language models such as ChatGPT. So you would target a question such as, is Awareness AI environmentally friendly? So that's what you're targeting. That's the question that you want to be building around. And then you could build blogs or content more widely around that prompt. So you'd build a blog and you would explain how you're environmentally friendly. You would outline your strategies, you would outline the best practices within your industry, and what you are doing to combat this. So once you've built these blogs for that question, you can then create another blog for another question. For example, if you want to target recommendations, so if you want to be in more top 10 lists within your industry. So let's say I'm an Italian restaurant and I want to be in the top 10 Italian restaurants within the UK. Be quite ambitious, but you could create your own blog or content around the top 10 best Italian restaurants within the UK. And then you could do a researched blog. What's important is that it needs to be backed up. You can't just basically put yourself first. If you did put yourself first, you need to support it with evidence. So maybe you'd put yourself third or fourth, which will still help your rankings. And then once you've built your blogs around your targeted prompts or questions, you want to really be able to track and see your position improving, because you want to be getting visibility into the current answers to the questions that you're wanting to improve. So if I was the Italian restaurant and I wanted to initially see, I would ask ChatGPT, what are the best Italian restaurants within the UK? I would analyze the answer, see that I'm probably not in it, and then I would retest it maybe in a week or two after the blog has been published, and then I would see if I'm appearing within these rankings. And now that leads me on to how Awareness AI can help. So Awareness AI basically monitors these questions or prompts that you pick yourself, and then you can see the answers every single day being refreshed. And this is across 6 large language models such as ChatGPT and Gemini, and it shows you how they're answering your target question every single day and the sources they're pulling from, helping you see a positive change each day and hopefully improving within the prompts you're targeting. So basically the overall takeaway is that you want to be building your content around a specific target prompt or question, and you want to be figuring out how to improve the answer through creating opportunities such as blogs or maybe even social media posts.